So working on the 300, got the replacement throttle cable installed because the first one snapped. And the guy was nice enough to send me a replacement. Got it hooked up to this thingy down there, which is hooked to right there. I think it's like the oil pump or something. And then this cable over here, this one goes directly into carburetor. And I found a carburetor for a 2-stroke. It's an aftermarket one for $35, and that's on the way. And then I might go ahead and buy a Mikuni and rebuild that in case I have any problems with the aftermarket. Because a Mikuni, hands down, is better than an aftermarket Chinese one. So, which I can do that for $130. But the Chinese one, I can get it going. So, yeah. Besides, I might paint that black because that stands out. Or put electric tape on it. Put a little gasket here. Yeah, so what's new on the 300. Got a working tail light now. Right there. And then I got the Grizzly right there. Grizzly. Basically, I'll show you what's happening on the Grizzly. I'll turn the 300 off because the way down parts. Carburetor should be here Tuesday, Wednesday, if it doesn't get delayed. But show you if this thing will even start. Yeah, see, watch. As you can see, the Grizzly is in some bad shape. I think that bearing finally went. Something's going on with the transmission. Thinking about just switching the whole motor out because that will be the second time there's a couple bearings I didn't replace tranny, but the one I did replace is gone. So now that it took out a bearing, it's been a year, just around a year if you look at my videos since I've put the bearings in this. One or two things. One, something is damaged or bent inside the transmission, causing it to wear the bearings out extremely fast. Or two, I got a defective bearing or the bearings are just junk. It was a Yamaha bearing. The bearing was like, I think $150. It was genuine Yamaha. Got it directly from Yamaha. All the parts, Yamaha. I'm thinking about looking at the transmission. If everything is perfect besides the bearings, I'm going to probably go Timothy bearings. Or I'm going to do an industrial grade bearing. Not Yamaha, because Yamaha's junk. And same thing with these. One of these broke. I ordered a replacement one. The stinking thing on it cracked literally the first time the quad went out. So I'm probably just going to order a couple pair of these on eBay cheap, which for $5 versus the Yamaha, one of them was like 30. So yeah. But just hopefully this cable does snap. Do have another cable on the way from Motion Pro, which is a backup cable. If this one fails again, then that's the way I'm going to go. They're the same price, but yeah, so because I didn't think this seller was going to send me replacements, so went ahead and got another cable coming. So, but and with this, I mean, it did drive the other day with the transmission cable and thingy not hooked up, but it is good to have a cable because the 500 is just a single cable, like most quads. It doesn't have that transmission cable that goes down to there. It's just thumb throttle cable. So, I mean, it worked when I hooked the cable up, but the problem was, put another line here, which I believe this is for your oil, two-stroke oil, which is right here on this machine. Yeah, we are getting down there. Probably gonna have to top it off when get this thing going. And it's got a just about a quarter of a tank, so it's almost time to refill. That's the reason, one of the reasons why I started looking at the carb on this, because it would drink gas like no tomorrow. And I know it's a Polaris, old Polaris, and it drinks gas, but this was, something wasn't right. Then I checked the airbox, that was completely full of gas, and I've seen on these machines where it'll dump the gas directly into the crankcase, and it'll basically fill the whole engine up with gasoline. So that's not good. There's a drain bolt I can pull. I'm gonna do that, and I think there is a drain bolt on transmission to go through transmission. Check its oil, because I believe it does have its own oil. And I'm probably going to put a new chain and sprocket on this. I am looking for, I did find one, but it's a little, the sticker's messed up, which ain't that big of a deal, but it won't match really. The side cover, because the side cover I got, where's the side covers? Got so much crap throughout this barn. Here they are. There's the side covers. You obviously see that one does not match. So I need one of that, but for that side with the shifter and the exhaust. I did find one for like $50, but the stickers don't, which, I mean, that sticker's messed up. I might do that, but the little pull start thing, these are known for the pull start seat through the side plastic, so, or the exhaust. I do have a spare panel for the 500 on the exhaust shifter side, so, because the one on 500 is all burnt up and melted, so it's just a common issue, I guess. So, want to thank everyone for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button, like, comment, share this video on the Odyssey. I'm probably going to go a different route. I didn't think I was going to go back to this route, but there is a stator for my machine, because it's a points machine, because it's 77, on eBay. I'm talking to the guy, see if I get it cheap, and if I can, I'll be putting that on this, because the guy says it works. May need adjusted, but it works, he says. I'll be putting this on the Odyssey, and then I won't have to convert it to CDI. Then I'm gonna probably either fix the original tank, or just get a could get an aftermarket one. Odd ATV sells a aluminum one, but it's more of a square type of tank versus there's a goes up like that. It's more of a solid square or cube, which ain't that big of a deal, but I think it wants like 280 or 400 something for it, which is a lot, knowing that I bought my Odyssey for $300. But I mean, I'm completely rebuilt the wiring harness. It's missing the headlight. I need the headlight still, which I'm probably going to get from reliable aftermarket parts. I put a new kill switch on it, soldered the light switch again. Having carburetor issues. I might just get a because this one, you mix the gas in the tank. It doesn't have the oiler like it does on the 300. So I might put the carburetor I got for the 300 on this if it'll work, which I could technically test right now. And I knew that was gonna happen once I did that. Yeah, I'm gonna test that out while I'm here before I end the video, because I'm curious. It may work, because I got this carburetor here, it's brand new. I'm curious if it'll work or not. Where is it? Yeah, it's too big. And plus this one has a choke thing right there instead of the lever like the Odyssey, so probably get a good rebuildable core, because I do have a couple issues with the original core I have. The little thing, nozzle thingy, throttle nozzle broke off, and I had to drill it out and tap it, and it worked, but then the little idle screw fell out. So there's problems with that, but I think if I can find a good replacement or parts for it, I'll just do that route. But yeah, and I'll take the recon tank back off, put that in the recon pile. So alright, well, that's all I got for you guys today, so thanks.